I'm sure we'll laugh about this tomorrow. It
At some
sucks right
point.
now.
Yeah. Thoughts and prayers in the comment section.
Please. I mean, we'll be down by the time this gets posted anyway, but it's